Hey everybody, filming this intro long after the fact. It was a good day of fishing, caught some big ones. I think we caught about 20 in total. I don't know if they're all going to make it on the film, but we'll see. Check it out. Let's get to fishing. So I do like this lake a little bit more than others around here because the water is cloudier and it's a little easier to trick the fish. With lures and artificials without having to resort to plastics all the time. Ooh. Man, I had something right there. Went to go set my rod down. Something went bling on it. Okay. So we're starting out today with that Z-Man chatterbait. I already had something smash it over on the other side of the lake. I just threw it in and didn't quite reel it all the way up when I went to go move the kayak, and something grabbed onto it just as I set my rod down. I missed it. I almost knocked half my stuff in the water. But another thing I'm going to try today is a Colorado blade. Last time I was out here, I actually did catch a few on big spinner willow leaf, but I'm going to go with a Colorado because I can do it a little slower. It's got a little more resistance, a little more pump in the water. Makes that skirt jiggle just a little bit more. And here we go on the spinnerbait. Oh, nice one. Man, it took like one pump of that blade and he was on there. Get away from that. You got me right in the sticks, but hey, that's what we were looking for. I'm gonna get these all day long. It's gonna be a fun day. Go on out, bud. So, this was a Walmart spinnerbait. It's got a Rapala Crush City custom 3-inch paddle tail on it, and it did have an all black skirt on it, but I threw a black and white skirt on it because I just wanted a little bit of color in there to kind of go along with that shad body. Maybe DNR did it. Looks like just the mush was cleared out. Alright, I've actually never been in this lake before. Once again, as soon as I get it. Alright. Oh! Ooh, he's a hefty boy. Yeah, look at that one. Zero it out. Zero it out. 1.94. Soft 2-pounder. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's doing spinnerbait. I think I'm liking the spinnerbait today. There's another one. Ooh, he hit it on the surface. Man, it just like, as soon as it, ooh, hey, this one's got a little more back to him. Oh, yeah. Oh, hog. Ah. Look at that beast. Let's get a weight on him. He is 273. Look at that guy. Yeah. All hanging out on that bar over there.